Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the walk-in interview for the guest or the urgent faculty notification from the two state government universities, and here the maximum salary is the 50,000 rupees per month. So let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. While coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is the sports university. So Sri Aniruddha Deva Sports University, Assam. So here the walk-in interviews are announced for the guest faculty on 16 December 2020. So here you can check down the details. The eligible candidates may apply for a different category of positions online on the link mentioned against each category. The details of positions, eligibility criteria, salary, procedure for applying, presentation during interview and other details can be seen below. The last date for submitting the application form is 13th December 2020. So coming to the guest faculty, theory subjects are given here. Area of specialization, qualification, salary, Google form to link up the application for the link for the application form, and the interview date and venue. So all these things are mentioned here. So coming to the area of specialization, here the lot of areas are there: exercise physiology, sports psychology, sports biomechanics and medicine, teaching and training, pedagogy, health education, sports analytics and physiotherapy, athletic theory, football theory, badminton theory and table tennis theory. And the qualification required is a master's degree with 55% of marks and NET or PhD qualification. So the maximum is the 50,000 rupees per month, and the 15th December 2020 the venue and the reporting time is 9:30 a.m. Next one is yoga, and coming to the athletics, football, badminton, table tennis also given here. So for this one the graduation in physical education and PG diploma in sports coaching from any recognized institute. So for this one the NET is not mentioned. And coming to the aerobics and fitness, also master graduation with at least 55% of marks, or else the graduation is also fine with postgraduate diploma. And coming to the yoga, graduation in yoga. So these are all the different departments or the area of specialization, guys. So if you belongs to this one, then you may apply, and the eligible candidates may apply for the post only on the prescribed Google form mentioned in front of the positions in the above mentioned, at least by 13th December 2020. Okay. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And the second university is the Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. So here the adjunct faculty and the visiting or guest faculty members are announced. For applications are invited for empanelment of adjunct faculty. For application submission, eligibility criteria, age and other information, you can visit the official website of the university. So I'm just taking you on this website. Okay, so you can check down empanelment of guest or visiting faculty in the department of CSE, AA, CSE and AA. So you can click down here. So you will get the remaining details. Okay, so appointment of adjunct faculty in various departments, as well as the empanelment of guest or visiting faculty in the department of CSE, CSE and AA. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may check down for the faculty positions and the age limitations and all these things. So here applications of empowerment of visiting or guest faculty are also invited in the domains of artificial intelligence, machine learning and the deep learning. Okay, so please go through this one, guys, and once after visiting the official website you will come to know the remaining details. And it is the application form for the Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University, and here the vacancies are announced from the departments: computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, mechanical and automation engineering, architecture and planning, management, chemistry, physics, mathematics and English. Okay, so it is application form that you can download from the website itself. See guys, so your application form is there. So for these different departments, the adjunct faculty notification is announced, and for the CSE, AA and CSE and AA also, that the advertisement is announced. So you may go through any one of these things, guys, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.